it is officially heater time. The first time that I've had to plug up my heater all year. Good morning. It is Saturday and I am sitting at my desk, so the harsh light behind me is the window that is directly behind me. But it is the Saturday before Halloween and I have an order for a large catch-all leopard bag that has been very popular on my website. I'm short one bag, so I need to make a bag. And my youngest and I are going to head out to an event at a local park. My sorority is volunteering there, and this is also a great time for my youngest to, walk around and enjoy the event herself. So I'm gonna go there early, and this evening, I wish I could clean up. My home is a mess. The past 3 weeks has just been, we haven't been ourselves. And typically we will call in help during times like this, but we've just been running like that to where we haven't even been able to get help to help us look like we know what we're doing. And then tonight, when we should be resting, we're going to go to a comedy show with some friends. It's needed, and it's needed. So today is full of things, and I'm going to try to see if I can do them well. So I'm going to go ahead and make a bag, and once I make it, I'll show you what it looks like. Hold that thought. I need to caffeinate, so I'm going to make my coffee, and I am currently off of my iced coffees. I've been trying to transition into my hot coffee. So I'm going to get some coffee made before I make the bag, and let's see if that perks me up. I do not have a Keurig. That is what I needed. And I am just loving my cup. It's my Dunder Mifflin Party Planning Committee. If you are familiar with Dunder Mifflin, you get it. And as an event planner, this cup is definitely my thing. There's a change of plan. I was calling to invite one of my daughter's friends to come with us to the park, and she is celebrating her little sister's birthday in at a trampoline park, an obstacle park, and they invited my daughter. So now I'm going solo to the event, which is fine because she'll have a good time. And she even apologized for wanting to ditch her mom to go to the trampoline park. I don't blame her at all. So she's getting ready for that, and I'll just volunteer and be thinking of my little baby who won't be with me. It's fine. So I am getting ready to finish cutting out the fabric for this bag. Oh, that's the wrong side. Oh, I love this faux leather leopard print. I absolutely love it. And I even love that when I shared it on my other YouTube channel, because I did a what's in my bag video, and I was just sharing what I was taking to work with me, and the overwhelming response for the pouches that I showed in that video warms my heart even to this day. And that's what I try to do in any spare time that I may have. Y'all, I have to get this. This is the Mister.
This is a Harris's hawk, and at 1 o'clock we're going to have a live falconry demonstration over behind the eagles, where we're going to be talking about how we hunt with them.
Oh!
We hunt pheasants and rabbits and ducks.
Hey friends, it is Sunday and it is Halloween, or that's not your thing, October 31st. I believe that I stopped off yesterday. I was finishing up a bag to take to the post office yesterday before volunteering with my sorority at the park, and later on that night the girls had their own social events to attend, and my husband and I and a few of our good friends went to a comedy show. And it's been a long time since we have done anything like that. We usually try to do something every quarter with a group of us. So we did that last night, and we didn't get in until late. This morning, I let the girls sleep because they came in late with us as well. And the husband and I, we watched online church service, and there are so many things that I need to get done around the house. I'm not going to get them all done today. It's just being realistic. So laundry is one, and replenishing the pantry and refrigerator with food for snacks and lunches for the week was a priority. Making sure that the girls have snacks for lunches and lunch items. And I have a sorority meeting that I'm facilitating with other ladies later on today. And then we have a trunk or treat event at our local club. So today is going to be quite busy, and I am just trying to do the things one at a time and not overwhelm myself, because I tend to do that. I'll just think of all the things that I need to get done, knowing that, 6 hours with a bunch of activity is just not right. So I'm showing myself grace. I'm getting the must-have things done. Like, we need clean clothes, we need snacks and lunch items for the week. I needed candy to give out to the trick-or-treaters tonight. Went to Walmart, and when I tell you everything was wiped out, this would be the second year, or the second Halloween that we've kind of participated in. We typically don't do the trick-or-treaters. I mean, it's just a personal preference. Halloween is just not our favorite holiday, and I see how others just go all out. It's just not our holiday. But because we are in a neighborhood now with little kids who love to get all dressed up, and even the families join in on it, we're team players, so we do what we can to not seem like we don't care about the people. So I went to Walmart to just eyeball to see if there was something that my youngest could dress up in for today, because I have been that parent that has not looked early. I didn't plan for her to wear anything. I couldn't do it this year. Sorry about the lighting. But I did find one thing that caught my eye, and I'm gonna take it home and let her try it on and see if that's something she wants to wear. If not, totally fine. We have a makeshift costume at home, and I needed candy, and let me tell you, my local Walmart had no candy for trick-or-treaters. They had candy, but it was, candy bars and candy that was not individually wrapped. Had none. Completely wiped out, because this year more and more organizations and churches did trunk or treats. And I know the event that I volunteered at yesterday, there was so much candy, so much. But I did give up. I went to Ollie's. We do have an Ollie's. Ollie's had nothing. But I did pick up a few things from there. Just random things that I found. And I went to a local grocery store. And I was thinking, the grocery store is in a popular area in the town. Of course, they won't have candy. But to my surprise, they had candy. They had all the candy that I needed, that I'm going to bring to the festival tonight. And if I feel like it's not enough, I'm not going to tell anybody about go to the grocery store. I'll go, so I can pick up